Intelligent infrastructure enables Industry 4.0, providing the ability to deliver automated, scalable, and reliable drone operations across large regions. Intelligent infrastructure provides M2M wireless networks, eGPS, situational awareness sensors, edge compute, active digital twins, regional data exchanges, micro-weather, position as a service, and ASOCCs. ASOCCs provide the regional operations facility shared with private and public organizations. The ASOCC provides each company access to the intelligent infrastructure to support command, control, communications access, mission planning and management, data processing, and analytics, autonomous system depot and network management. The Texas SH130 corridor has over a dozen operational zones defined to support public safety, real estate developments, construction, routine inspections, maintenance and sustainment, delivery and logistics, and many more. The initial region, spanning approximately 150 square miles, is a testament to the vast potential of this economic zone. It encompasses over $60 billion in active projects and is home to dozens of supporting organizations. Notable locations include Highway 79, SH130, 45 Expressway, Highway 290, Blue Bluff, Decker Lake, RR 969, Highway 71, FM 812, and surrounding zones. Small UAVs are one of the most promising and powerful technologies to improve disaster response and relief operations. They naturally complement traditional manned relief by helping to ensure that operations can be conducted safer, faster, and more efficiently. When a disaster occurs, drones may be used to provide first responders with better situational awareness, locate survivors amidst the rubble or flood waters, perform structural analysis of damaged infrastructure, locate where to stage needed supplies and equipment, help direct first responders evacuating casualties, and help extinguish fires, among many other potential applications. In advance of an emergency, preparation and prevention, drones are able to assist with risk assessment, mapping, and planning. When individuals, businesses, and communities are able to understand and manage risks and plan effectively, they reduce overall damage and losses. Rebuilding and recovery are then able to begin more quickly, ultimately strengthening the resiliency of communities. There are hundreds of powerful use cases for the operation of drone zones: infrastructure inspections for bridges, towers, transmission lines, distribution lines, power plants, ports, dams, highways, airports, commercial buildings, tanks, substations, pipelines, roadways, construction inspections, and watershed management. The SH130 drone zone mission is to capture, process, simulate, and analyze within city-scale active digital twins. Active digital twins will support one federal decision, digital delivery, and radically reduce sustainment costs. Texas is supporting commercial opportunities to accelerate the industry, i.e. real estate developers, engineering firms, vertiport companies, infrastructure investors, property and title companies, attorneys, economic development groups, and many more.